There are a number of helpful tools available for students when they are taking the AZMerit writing test and practice test. Here is a brief demonstration of each of them. At the very top of the screen, you will see your test controls and some basic test tools. The test controls at the top left allow you to go back to the previous question or forward to the next question. They allow you to save your work, pause your test if you need to get up from the computer for any reason, and finally, end your test when you are completely finished. The basic test tools at the top right include a dictionary, notes window, line reader, and the ability to zoom in or out of your screen. Clicking on the dictionary brings up a searchable dictionary where you can type in any word, click the dictionary button in the window, and receive a definition. The Notes tool gives you a blank space to write notes. This is a great planning tool, but nothing that you type here will be graded. Using the Line Reader tool helps you focus on reading through the text one line at a time. When you click this button, a blue box highlights a line of text in either section. You can click other lines of text to move the box up or down, or you can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the line. Finally, the Zoom Out and Zoom In buttons can help you make the entire screen either smaller with the Zoom Out or larger with the Zoom In. The AZMerit writing test is composed of two sections on the screen. On the left contains the sources that the writing prompt will be answered by referencing. To view these sources using the full screen, use the Expand to the Right arrow. Other times, you can use the book icon to make it larger. You can also reduce the sources to focus on the prompt and workspace by using the Expand to the Left arrow. Other times, you can use the Enlarge button that looks like two arrows. One tool that is available within the source window is the Highlight Selection tool. To use this, use your mouse to highlight a selection of text that you want to pay later attention to. This is done by clicking and holding at the beginning of the desired text, then dragging your mouse to the end of that text and releasing your click. Then, choose the menu button for the Sources section of the screen and choose Highlight Selection. To navigate the sources, use the scroll bar to move up and down. Other times, you will use the Page Turn button. The right-hand section of the screen is where you will see the writing prompt and the place where you will write your response. There are other tools available here that can be accessed using the menu button. The first tool is the Tutorial, which walks you step by step through how you need to answer this type of question. The second tool is called Mark for Review, which flags the question for later review. This is a useful tool if you intend to revisit this question in the future to review your answer. The third tool is the Writing Guide, which functions as a rubric to let you know what types of writing your response should contain. Finally, this section also has a Highlight Selection tool, should you need to highlight a portion of the instructions or writing prompt for easy access. At the bottom of this section is where you will type out your response to the prompt. This window has some tools that will help you format your text. You can draw attention to very important words by making them bold, italicized, or underlined, or you can remove all formatting. You can add in a numbered or bulleted list, or change the indentation of your paragraphs. You can cut, copy, and paste text, and also undo or redo changes you have made. Finally, if you really need it, you can add in special characters. Remember, though, that the content of your response comes first. You may not even need any of these tools. Use the tools that you've learned about in this video to help you do your very best during the AZMerit test.